We took apart the Titan yesterday trying to get it ready for a side job, and we're just trying to get it going. Realized all the hoses were plugged with urethane that we had, and so we changed the hose. I pulled the main cylinder on it, had to take this piece off all the way coming through. This was all clogged with big chunks of urethane like this, which we were not supposed to be spraying, but we ended up spraying, and it ruined the machine totally. Well, at least the actual cylinder part. So we ripped it all apart. I'm gonna give it a shot now. Just got a little test thing with water and whatnot in it, and just hooked up the wand. See if it'll go. Let's see how this Honda starts up. See if it works. All right, let's go over here. Turn it on. Choke it a little bit. Can't beat a Honda. Alright, let me zoom out here. Let me get the pump going, give it a little bit of fuel. Let me just turn up the pressure a little bit. There we go. Now, let's see how the wand works. Let me just walk over here with it. It's actually not bad at all. Let me turn up the pressure a bit. I'll give it a little more juice. Sorry for the shoddy camera work here. Let me turn the pressure right up a little bit more here. All right. That'll be great for the walls. Obviously I'm almost out of water, but plus I'm still clearing all the crap out of it, so. It was a nice fan. Shit, might as well clean the tires, eh? Okay. Very happy, got her working again. It's been sitting for the past, since 2013, the past 5 years. Anyways, talk to you later.